Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're a car owner or enthusiast, you definitely need to check out the launch OBD2 scanner CR529 Diagnostic tool. This powerful tool is a must-have for anyone looking to easily diagnose and clear codes on their car. After 1996. The launch CR529 is more powerful than the Foxwell NT301 and has been recognized as the 2024 Amazon's Choice OBD2 scanner. This means it's trusted by thousands of users and comes with a 5-year quality backup. With features like reading and erasing codes, retrieving IM readiness and freeze frame data, and the patented one-click smog check, this scanner is truly top-notch. Not only that, but it also offers lifetime free updates, allowing you to extend its lifespan and ensure the data is always accurate. The wide vehicle coverage and support for 7 different languages make it a versatile tool for any car owner. The user-friendly design, colorful display screen, and easy operation make it a favorite among both home car owners and professional mechanics. Plus, with a 5-year warranty and features like DTC lookup and data playback, it's a cost-effective solution for all your car maintenance needs. So, if you're looking for a reliable and powerful OBD2 scanner, be sure to check out the launch OBD2 scanner CR529. You can find the link to purchase it in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your car's lifespan and performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations.